Hi, this is Mark with UTV-XHitchworks. This is 2014 Kubota X RTV. To the current model, this plate can be removed, and the receiver hitch extension and skid plate we manufacture protects the bottom of the transmission down here for rocks or whatever. And then also the added benefit is it gives you a receiver hitch extension which brings it out further behind the machine, and it bolts on to the factory brackets. When mounting this, sometimes you have to loosen up the bolts here on both sides to give you a little more freedom, maneuverability when you install it. So just slide it in the receiver hitch, put your pin in, very important you have that in, and then line up your holes. And if you're just using this device here, the skid plate receiver hitch extension, it can be purchased separately from our transmission cover. That's the installation of this, minus these two bolt holes here. That's for the top transmission cover, which also has a benefit. It protects this aluminum housing, gives you a nice clean rear end look on your RTV. There's a new bracket that comes with the kit. It mounts to the top of the transmission. Transmission cover put in place. And then take your last 3/8 bolt, go through here and put the nut on it.